HireTalents is an online platform that connects businesses with talented freelancers and independent professionals from various fields, such as graphic design, digital marketing, writing, programming, and more. It serves as a marketplace where clients can find and hire skilled professionals for their projects. To make money online with HireTalents in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. 1. Create an account. Visit the HireTalents website and sign up for an account as a freelancer. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, including your name, email address, and skills. 2. Complete your profile. Fill out your profile with detailed information about your experience, skills, education, and portfolio. A well-rounded profile will help you attract potential clients. 3. Set up your services. Determine the services you want to offer on the platform. Be specific about the tasks you can perform and the rates you charge for each service. 4. Bidding and proposals. Once your profile is complete, start bidding on projects posted by clients. Write compelling proposals that showcase your skills, experience, and how you can solve their problems. 5. Communication and negotiation. Engage with clients in conversations and be open to negotiation on project terms, deadlines, and rates. Building a good rapport with clients can lead to more projects in the future. 6. Deliver quality work. Once you've secured a project, ensure that you deliver high-quality work within the agreed-upon timeline. Meeting or exceeding client expectations will lead to positive reviews and more opportunities. 7. Build a reputation. Encourage clients to leave reviews of your work on the platform. Positive reviews will help attract more clients to your profile. 8. Network and market yourself. Connect with other freelancers on the platform and join relevant groups or communities. Share your expertise and showcase your work on social media platforms to attract potential clients. 9. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely on just one platform for your freelance work. Explore other platforms and job boards to find more projects and clients. 10. Continuously learn and improve. Stay updated with industry trends and advance your skills to remain competitive in the market. By following these steps, you can make money online with HireTalents in 2024 and build a successful freelance career.